Can you do 1,000 push-ups in a single day? Sounds crazy, right? Well, I took on this brutal challenge to see if it's even possible. How long does it take? What happens to your body? And is it actually worth it? Stick around to find out. Why attempt 1,000 push-ups? 1,000 push-ups might sound extreme, but it's a true test of heavy checkmark muscular endurance and stamina, heavy checkmark mental toughness and willpower, heavy checkmark strength and upper body endurance, heavy checkmark cardiovascular fitness, heavy checkmark recovery and resilience. This challenge isn't just about brute strength, it's about pushing your limits and seeing what your body is capable of. How I planned my push-up attempt. Going straight into 1,000 push-ups at once isn't realistic, so I broke it down into a strategy. Heavy checkmark set goal. Complete 1,000 push-ups within 24 hours. Heavy checkmark set structure. Split into manageable sets throughout the day. Heavy checkmark monitor form. Avoid sloppy push-ups by focusing on quality. Heavy checkmark stay hydrated and eat right. Fuel my body for endurance. Here's how I structured the sets. Heavy checkmark hour 1 to 2, 10 sets of 25 push-ups, 250 total. Heavy checkmark hour 3 to 4, 8 sets of 30 push-ups, 240 total. Heavy checkmark hour 5 to 6, 7 sets of 35 push-ups, 245 total. Heavy checkmark hour 7 to 8, 5 sets of 50 push-ups, 250 total. Heavy checkmark final set, push through the last 15 to hit 1,000. How it felt, breakdown by hours. Small blue diamond hour 1 to 2, fresh start. Push-ups felt easy, and I had good energy. Hitting 250 was smooth, but I knew it wouldn't stay this easy. Small blue diamond hour 3 to 4, arms started to fatigue. The sets of 30 were manageable, but I could feel the burn setting in. Staying hydrated was key. Small blue diamond hour 5 to 6, things got real. My chest and shoulders felt on fire, and I had to rest longer between sets. Mental strength became just as important as physical. Small blue diamond hour 7 to 8, every rep was a battle. But I had made it so far, there was no turning back now. The last 250 push-ups were pure determination. Small blue diamond final set, my arms were shaking, but I pushed through the last reps, and boom, 1,000 push-ups complete. The aftermath, what happened to my body? Heavy checkmark muscles felt completely exhausted, especially my chest, shoulders, and triceps. Heavy checkmark core and lower back were surprisingly sore from stabilizing my body. Heavy checkmark my energy crashed hard. Recovery was crucial after such intense volume. Heavy checkmark mental toughness group. Pushing through exhaustion was a huge confidence boost. Heavy checkmark no crazy muscle growth. This was an endurance feat, not a mass building routine. Should you try 1,000 push-ups? White heavy checkmark yes, if you want to test your limits and challenge your endurance. Crossmark no, if you expect to build serious muscle. This is more about mental and muscular stamina. What I learned from this challenge. Keycap 1 push-ups are an incredible endurance workout. Even if you can do 50, 1,000 is a different game. Point 2, proper rest and recovery matter. My body needed serious recovery after this. Point 3, pacing yourself is key. Starting too fast leads to burnout. Smart sets help you finish strong. Point 4, hydration and nutrition fuel performance. Without proper fuel, this challenge would have been impossible. Point 5, it's mostly mental. Your body can handle more than you think, your mind just has to push through. Final thoughts, was it worth it? Heavy checkmark absolutely. This challenge tested my strength, endurance, and discipline like never before. Heavy checkmark, would I do it again? Maybe not anytime soon, but I'm glad I proved to myself that I could. Heavy checkmark, should you try it? If you're ready to push yourself to the limit, give it a shot, but be prepared for serious muscle fatigue. Could you do 1,000 push-ups in a day? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insane fitness challenges. Watch next. I did 100 push-ups every day for 1 month, results. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok for more fitness content.